Guys, look at this dime piece. Another beauty. 1995 Aprilia RS250. He just started it with his hand. What a beauty.
The throttle's already stuck, so I can't turn the throttle.
It is absolutely gorgeous. Carbon fiber everywhere. Aluminum.
No, this is not carbon fiber.
That's not carbon fiber?
It's make-believe.
It looks like it. You had me fooled.
That's real carbon fiber. They didn't use real carbon fiber on this bike.
No? Nice looking machine though. I can't say I've ever seen one of these either. Not something common in the United States, I don't think, is it?
They never came to the United States.
Well, no wonder I haven't seen one. Wow. Brembo disc brakes. Beautiful piece. How many miles on this one?
3,600 kilometers.
The color combo's stunning. Black and gray. Really, really nice.
The Biaggi replica. Then they had a Loris Caparossi, the Reggiani. They even had a Valentino Rossi replica because they all raced Moto GP Grand Prix back in the 90s, and that's where they started off, was on the 250s, and they graduated to the 500s.
What is it, a twin or a single?
It's a V-twin.
V-twin.
Suzuki makes the motor. It's an RG250.
No kidding.
And Aprilia uses their own exhaust and their own intake, carburation. But it's essentially a Suzuki RG250 in an Aprilia chassis.
The Aprilia chassis is absolutely a work of art. The way they molded the aluminum there is, and the welds are just freaking spectacular. Really nice.